Yo, you got it.
I did put on regular ones, dog.
No.
Didn't put regular ones?
No. It's got a cap on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See? He just has a special tool to get it done.
They were using that like different size.
You can do it. It blows my mind, huh?
Este necesita usar un 11-16 porque está chingado.
See? That's what I
Tiene
wanted.
que ser 18 milímetros.
That's why I wanted to replace them.
Ya, porque tienen que ser 18 milímetros. Ok, déjame. Oye, traigo eso, pero voy a mirar algo aquí ahorita. El Magic Mirror.
The magic mirror.
No, profe, así como dice usted Magic Mirror, cuando estaba allá en Veracruz, me estaban explicando que los españoles cuando llegaron allí con los indígenas, llevaron Magic Mirror. They took Magic Mirror y les dijeron a los gentes ahí, las aztecas,
Con eso te miras bonito.
les decían, mira, con esa madre te vas a teleportar a otro mundo. Teleport. And then they were like, alright. Y luego decían, ¿qué quieres? Y luego decían, pues dame todo tu oro y te damos Mirror. Y luego dijeron, pues Simón, ahí te va el oro. Y ellos entregaron Mirror. Y como nunca se habían visto en las caras, ellos, they had never seen themselves. Pensaban que estaban en otro mundo cuando ellos mismos estaban mirándose.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I think you figured it out. What's wrong?
El barrel motor mount está madreado de la parte de adentro. Outside se mira bien, pero de adentro está chingado.
How much is that to buy and replace?
About $20. Cambiarlo.
That's it.
Ya, y nomás cómpralo.
Okay, so it's the
Barrel motor mount.
and your labor.
About $20. Me va a costar más trabajo levantarlo que cambiarlo.
Okay, so you can do that today.
Yeah.
Let's go get the motor mount, Sergio.
Engine tech. Auto tech.
All right, everybody. I just saved $700. It's a bottom motor mount. Wow. Because they were saying I had to replace the axle. Does it look? I have to replace like the axle?
No, the axle is fine.
That's where they're gonna fuck me over, dude. Because he says he only saw one inner tie rod fixed, not both. And they charged me for $300.
Bullshit, guy.
Fuck, dude. The maestro. Okay.
So, let me go get the 18 millimeters. I want to take out the bolt out of there para checar las.
Oh, the axle in the boot?
Mira, el axle, yeah.
Okay. So we might get two things right now. I guess we'll Uber it or something? Lift it? Well, he's gonna check right now. Let's see what are the part he needs. So the bottom motor mount. All right, look at that. The brother figured out my issue with my car, and that's probably what might fix it, right? The rattle. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, everybody. Let's see. I'll upload this video, and then let's see if the Prophet will lift the engine and replace the motor mount. And he says my axles look fine on my vehicle because he says too little miles. All right, beautiful. All right, be back. Catch y'all in the next one. If you like the content, subscribe if you like the video. Hit the thumbs up. Questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment section below. Catch y'all in the next one.